Now our worker will need to make the waist belt. The final thing our worker will need to make the waist belt here. Yes, you can see our worker put each part together and make up now. Okay. Okay, our worker need to make the next step. So we make one shot. We need to use many machines to finish it. You can see our tailors use many machines. Need to use many machines to finish to make the biker shot. So making a pair of the shot, so making a crossing is not a simple stitch. This is the reason that why we need to take 10 working days to make the sample, because the making one of the sample is need to use many machine and testing the machine to finish the sample making. So making the crossing is not a simple stage, not a simple stage. And our workers have so many experience in the industry. So our tailors have so many experience in this industry. So they make the biker shot. They make the crossing is really carefully. And you can see he is our tailor is measure each part. The side. Okay, like this white part is the electric belt. You can see the electric belt. No matter the legging or the short, we will put our legging and or the short. We will put electric belt in the waist belt inside here, and our worker is swathing the electric belt on the waist belt now. This is the waist belt. I just show you about this one. Okay. Yes, the waist belt here. And you can see here. 扯一下， have a big electric, and this one is the electric belt. We will put one of the electric belt inside of the waist here. And now our worker is use another machine to test to make the waist belt. So because the short we choose is the red color, so every time we use the machine, we have to need to change the light, change the needle. We need to change the needle of the color, and then we start to swelling the sample. Yes, our worker is testing the waist belt now, and now he will start to work. Here's the carefully about here. Yes, inside you can see the inside. You can see inside the waist electric belt here, and the electric belt will put inside of the waist belt, and you don't worry about it. It will be seated outside here. If you have some problem about the sample making, you can contact our salesman, and they will tell you more about details. Okay, now our worker is start to work again on the waist belt. Okay, you can see here. This time you can see it's beautiful needle on the waist belt. We swabbing on the waist belt here. We need to keep the electric belt in the inside here, not easy to moving, not easy to move anywhere. So it has you can see here has a big electric on the waist belt here. So you can see it, and not only the electric belt has a big electric, and also the fabric. You can see the fabric also has a big electric and a breathable, and the hand feeling is so soft. And now our worker is finished, the waist belt swallowing. And now the final stand our worker will put the waist belt and the short of the main bodies here, put it together. Because this short has finished, then now we need to put the waist belt and the short together. And this client's shot will be finished soon. Okay, welcome our new friend come into our live streaming. And today this live streaming we show you is about the whole process of sample making. So you see here is our sample making final stand. Our worker is swallowing the shot now. Today this sample is the biker shorts sample making. Yes, today this live streaming is the whole process of the sample making. And now this is the final stand to making the shot. Swallowing the shot here, and our tailor Our tailor is put the needle in the machine and start to work. Yes, the waistbelt is finished. This part is finished because this style of the short we making is on the front here. The waistbelt is the crossbelt on the front here, and our worker is sewing together according to the style on the picture. So you can see here, yes, our worker is start to put the waistbelt and the short, the body of the short. Switch it, sewing it together. Now you can see our worker is confirm the logo position. He just used a pen to confirm the logo position, and then they will. And now he is sewing the waistbelt and the body of shorts together, and the biker shorts will be finished, will be completion. And you can see our welcome our news friend come into our live streaming. Today this live streaming will show you about the whole process of the sample making. And this part is the final stage of sample making. Today we made the sample is the biker short. The biker short will be finished soon. So our sample making have to need some time. So this is the reason why does we need to at least 10 working days to finish the sample. Yes, because before you place the bunch order, you can order one sample to test the quality first. About the sample style, if you want to make some style you like, you can send the picture to us. The picture you like. Or if you don't have any idea of the design or the style, you can refer our style. We have several catalogs for you to refer it. Okay, and maybe some clients have the tab pack, like the technology package. You can send us the technology package. The final stand of the making the biker shot. Welcome our news friend come into our live streaming. Today this live streaming is show you about the whole process of the sample making. And now, as you see this biker shot is finished. The final stand is the final stand. Our worker will be made the short length open here. We'll be swallowing the length open. Like this one, you can see. Yes, this one is one of our our client order the sample, the short sample. It will be finished soon. Only the final stent we need to make is the leg open here. We need to swelling up. And now our worker is making